We're delighted to share our Customer Experience Open Day programme, where all colleagues are encouraged to visit a rental station, where they will undertake a practical role in order to gain hands-on experience and have the opportunity to walk the employee and customer journey. Follow 3HQ colleagues as they take part in the first visits to a major airport and a super hub and learn what you can expect from the programme. To get the most out of the Customer Experience Open Day visits, briefing documents have been prepared to support the visitor and the station manager hosting the visit. Prior to your visit, you should ensure you review your relevant briefing pack, check what you may need to bring with you and what to wear for the day. On arrival, you'll be greeted by your Customer Experience Open Day host, who will show you around the station, introduce you to the team and go through your agenda for the day. During a typical visit to a super hub or downtown station, you will have the opportunity to sit in the fleet chair where you will work with the fleet coordinator to plan the day and support your service agents to ensure customer deliveries and collections are on time and always to the highest standard. You'll also find out about other daily tasks that fleet coordinators do to support the smooth running of the station and vehicle utilisation, such as planning vehicle maintenance and repairs, keeping accurate fuel records and more. Working with our top-of-the-range fleet, you'll support a valeter to prepare a vehicle to our set ready-for-rent standard. You'll use an extensive range of high-quality chemicals and equipment to ensure our vehicles are safe, clean, well-maintained and perfectly presented. This will include carrying out inspections, safety checks and ensuring that records are accurately updated. Following the customer journey alongside a service agent, you'll experience a customer delivery and collection. During the delivery, you'll greet the customer, show them around the vehicle to check the condition, demonstrate the controls, answer any questions, and ensure all paperwork is complete. You should also invite the customer to complete a Net Promoter Score survey, something our operations team encourages at every customer touchpoint. During the collection, you will greet the customer, complete a full vehicle inspection, complete all paperwork, talk to the customer about their experience and again invite them to complete an NPS survey. During a typical visit to a major or regional airport, your day will begin with the usual morning briefing to find out about product, process or procedural updates and discuss the station targets and the day ahead. You'll take part in a car show where you can familiarise yourself with the fleet in order to present the features and benefits to the customer. You will spend time with a welcome host. As customers begin the journey and arrive from the airport terminal, they are greeted with a warm welcome. Alongside the welcome host, you will support queue management and ensure customers are supported to join the virtual queue and answer any questions they may have before they are shown to the rental desk. At the rental desk, you will work with a rental sales agent to connect with the customer, understand their needs and present products and services to support the customer to make informed buying decisions to enhance their rental experience, completing all necessary paperwork. Showing the customer to their vehicle, you'll check the vehicle condition, demonstrate the controls and answer any questions. You'll need to ensure any final signatures are captured, that return details are discussed and invite the customer to complete an NPS survey before they leave the station. Continuing the customer journey, you will work with a returns agent to welcome customers back, complete a vehicle inspection and complete any paperwork. You should talk to the customer about their experience and again invite them to complete an NPS survey. It's then time to prepare the vehicle for the next customer journey. You'll get to walk through the valeting process and learn how we ensure our vehicles are safe, clean, well maintained and perfectly presented. Due to the high volume and fast turnaround of our fleet at major airports, many of our on-site vehicle preparation facilities include an automated car wash. Although facilities vary by location, our Ready for Rent standard remains the same across the entire network. You'll then park the vehicle up correctly and leave any promotional materials in place ready for our customers. At airports, hubs and downtown stations, you'll spend time with a station manager to find out about their day-to-day responsibilities and how they inspire and lead teams to deliver great results, setting the standard and creating a rental experience that keeps our customers coming back to us. The delivery of a seamless and consistent customer experience across our operational network is achieved through each job function delivering on their daily, weekly and monthly tasks and responsibilities. The overall aim of this programme is for you to immerse yourself in station life, walk the customer journey and interact with colleagues and customers to better understand our company policies and procedures. Our operations teams are looking forward to welcoming you.